So I've just been inside. We're at the Botanical Gardens. It is currently 7:37. My wife decides to do her makeup, so I'm currently outside. Just got my badge from inside, Queen's Baton badge. Huh?
Wasn't focused.
Don't go into it.
Ah.
Is it focused now? Just got my Queen Baton's badge. Put this on. Oh, it's alright.
Sure.
Yeah. It's alright.
I mean, you know, we like being on film.
So good. Really quite fiddly. So I'm 007. So I'm number 7. I will be running or jogging, slow jogging. To be fair, it's a bit further than I thought. I thought it was going to be like 200 meters or something, but it looks decent stretch. Yeah, so it'll be fun. So just wait here and then yeah.
Husband and children.
Ready? You ready?
Guys,
Hi.
Okay guys, over here please. Look at this camera in the middle. Okay, over here please. It's lovely. Perfect.
This camera is a video, give a bit of a wave. Lovely, beautiful.
Just looking down here guys, thank you. Okay, then one more. Okay, then one more over here please. There we are, take it up.
Alright, let's go. Okay.
Just wait.
Somewhere in the middle here.
Yeah, got it. Ready to go, mate?
Will you be running? Live.
So it was a nice little jog. It was a bit further than I thought actually. I think it was probably around 400, 200 probably, yeah. But I think the stairs and everything was, yeah, what made it a bit more tricky. But yeah, it was fun. It was fun. And I got a really good experience. To meet the other baton bearers as well. It's a great experience, once in a lifetime. So yeah, I think there's a social inside now. You can get tea, biscuits, crumpets, orange juice, as you can see in the background here. So yeah, it's all good. Amazing experience.